Before you begin, remove the two rubber feet, the base enclosure, and the battery. Removal. Disconnect the right front speaker connector from the system board. Disconnect the fingerprint board ribbon cable from its connector on the fingerprint board, and peel back the adhesive tape that secures the ribbon cable to the right front speaker. Remove the three P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right front speaker to the top cover. Grasp the right front speaker at the front edge, and then lift up and away to remove it. Replacement. Place the right front speaker onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right front speaker to the top cover. Reconnect the right front speaker connector to the system board. Reconnect the fingerprint board ribbon cable to the fingerprint board connector. Press down on the adhesive tape to secure the fingerprint board ribbon cable to the right front speaker.